Welcome to our tutorial on the Multipad tool. Here we're going to learn how to create multiple extrusions with different lengths using the same sketch. Select Multipad and select Sketch 1. As you see here, we have 4 different profiles. Profile 1 will be 1/2 inch, Tab key. Profile 2, you can see it highlighted here, will be 1 inch. Hit the Tab key. We're going to set Profile 3 at 0.1 of an inch. And extrusion number 4 will have a value of 3/4 of an inch. Tab key. Press the Preview button. OK. Here you can see 4 different extrusions of different lengths. And this concludes our review of the Multipad tool.